Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Alina Craft Studio. Today I'm going to show how I make custom cookie cutters using my 3D printer. My cookie cutters journey started by accident. My husband bought a 3D printer for his own projects. At the same time, my friend, who makes custom cookies for birthday parties, told me she didn't have time to order the cutter she needed. So I decided to help and made one for her, and that's how it all began. I will quickly stop and say what printer I have. My printer is a Bambu Lab P1S. I haven't had a chance to compare it with others. I'm just getting to know it, and it's completely new device for me. At that moment, I only learned how to make cookie cutters on the printer, and I want to share this with you. Here is food safe PLA filament that I use for cookie cutters, and it also from Bambu Lab. Let me show my way how I create cutter design. First, I go to Canva and find a simple image or shape I want to turn into a cutter. It works best with black and white images or silhouettes, for example, this one. If you need colored image like this one, we have to edit it a little bit. I click on Edit, then select Shadows and add Outline. After that, adjust the size of outline. Make all corners rounded as much as possible. Once I have the images, I download it as a JPG file. Then I go to the website called cookiecat.com, then upload my image, and the site turns it out into STL file. Here are the settings that I use for cookie cutters. Thing to make cutter. I select inches for size. This cutter I will make 3.5 inches. For blade I use depth 16. And thickness 1. Sharp blade 0.4 by 4. Handle settings don't change. This is how my ice cream cookie cutter will look like. Everything looks great, so I download it. Now time to open Bambu Studio app and upload our STL file. Here is my ice cream cookie cutter. And on the left side you can see my settings. Then I click Preview, and here you can see slicing result. Now time to print. Here I select the color and send to print. Exactly, this cutter will be printed 30 minutes, so let's check it out. Here you can see real printing speed. After 30 minutes, my cutter is ready. And here is the final result. One more design for my cookie cutter collection. Here are a few more cookie cutters I've printed before. And look at these cookies my friend made using them. How cute they are. I'm planning to make more videos and share what I discover along the way. And if you have any questions, ideas or requests, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.